Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. First, in this episode we will be trying something new with our audio. As you may hear, I'm using this clip-on mic instead of our usual shotgun thing. So let us know what you think about our new sound. You like it, hate it, maybe some tips on improving the sound? We're all ears. Get it? Okay, now in this episode we're going to show you how to make super delicious vegan broccoli fritters. This recipe we got from a friend of ours, so shout out to Geraldine, thank you for the recipe, and I hope you enjoy this episode. So the ingredients are 1 broccoli that we've cooked and cut up into pieces, small bite-sized pieces, about 60 grams of flour, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, about a teaspoon of paprika powder, and a small pinch of cayenne pepper for that extra spice, a small teaspoon of dried oregano, or however you want to pronounce it, about 30 grams of egg replacer. I've already prepared it, so it basically comes in a powder form, which I was going to show you, but it's somewhere in the kitchen. So it looks like that, and you add a little bit of water and you get something like this. This is roughly worth half an egg, so if you really want to replace it with an egg, you just use half an egg. About 60 grams of vegan cheese. Again, you can replace this with plain old cheese if you really want to. And finally, some salt and some pepper. We're going to start the assembly. Take a large mixing bowl and put all of the broccoli in there. And now add the rest of the ingredients. Garlic powder, paprika powder and cayenne pepper, oregano, the cheese, the egg replacer, scoop it in there, some salt, some pepper, and finally some flour. I'm not going to add everything in there, I'm just going to add about 2/3 of the flour, and then we're going to give it a good knead and mix everything together. The main goal here is just to create patties, so if you have to add more flour, just do that. You just want to make them stick together. Now we're going to make some patties. Take a small handful of your mixture, roll it into a bowl, and mush it into a patty. And that's what we're going to use. And just repeat the process until you have no more mixture left. If you want bigger patties, you can also make them bigger. Speaks for itself, I think. Vegan patties, vegan patties. So next up, we're going to fry them. I've ended up using all of the flour, and as you can see, we've made roughly 8 patties. Take a pan, put it on a heat. Take a quite good amount of olive oil, put it in a pan, lower your fire to medium-low, and let your oil get hot. So once the oil is hot enough, take your patty, I'm going to scoop them with a spatula, and place them in a pan. Let them fry until they're golden brown on one side, flip them over, and repeat the process on the other side. Damn it, just one left. Alright, and now we play the waiting game. So once both sides are nice and golden brown, turn off the fire, take a plate and cover it with some kitchen paper and just transfer your patties or fritters on there. And there you go, just present them in a nice way and they're ready to eat. Serve them with a nice dipping sauce. If you don't have any ideas for dipping sauces, I'm going to link some videos of ours in the description below. Promote. And now of course we're going to have a look how they look on the inside. Oh yes. Crunchy on the outside and slightly moist on the inside with the melty cheese. It looks so delicious. And now I'm going to try it. Crunchy. All you need is just a nice dipping sauce and you're ready to go for these awesome appetizers or potential side dishes. And there you have it. You asked for a vegan dish, we gave you a vegan dish. So if you have any more suggestions on what we should make next, you can always leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you like this video, you can always subscribe to our channel. We post a video every Wednesday for you to devour.
Time for a test. This is just so nice. I love that it's very crispy on the outside, but still a bit soft and moist on the inside. Also, what I did not expect is that I actually taste a bit of cheddar, although maybe it's just in my head, but still it tastes cheesy, and you taste the broccoli as well, so it's just like you taste everything and it's really, really good. So I'm very glad that Geraldine showed us this recipe. You might know her from our Guest Hands episode. She hosted one as well, also a vegan recipe. So thank you for showing us another vegan recipe. Thank you guys for watching this episode. We hope you enjoyed it. And as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye.